Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what's going on here. And you can see this is the battery for this guy here. And it's pretty lightweight compared to Ryze Tello. You see the big difference here on the battery size. And I think this only gives you about 7 minutes flight time. It's kind of like the Mambo or the same thing with the Me Too drone and also with the Wingsland S6. Um, and you can see here with the Tello, you have 13 minutes flight time. In real times, about it will give you about 12. Very efficient though. That's the battery here. See the propellers. It's kind of weird because this propellers is just. I don't think this propellers can handle the wind. The reason why I'm saying that because this propellers just remind me of the Mumbo and also the Wingsland S6. And I mean, you look at the Tello compared to, you guys can see comparing this two here, so you guys understand what I'm talking about. And you can see the Ryze Tello is just the propellers is just more wide and bigger, and it's more efficient. So when you're flying in the wind, this guy handling like butter. If you guys see my video, you guys see what I'm talking about. And you see here, this guy here is gonna get pushed around. Most likely, this is like the cheap drones that they use. I think this company should done something better, but we're gonna go ahead and see. Hopefully, I might just go ahead and use this Ryze Tello propellers here because I mean it's pretty much wide enough. But I'm gonna go see how this thing flies. And we're gonna go ahead and talk about this again here. This is remind me of the Wingsland S6. It's just, you know, it's not it's not really strong enough. Let's see how if I put this together. The reason why I'm saying that because when you hit something, when you hit something, it will just destroy your propellers. Not like with Ryze Tello, the propellers is much stiffer. And you can see here the way it's designed. It's like kind of like a slingshot. So when you hit something, you have more protection. So this like right here, this guy here, I mean, look at it. When this thing hits, I don't know, we'll see. But you see what I'm talking about? When you hit something, I mean, this thing will just shut off. See that? See how weak that is? And I'm gonna go ahead and see what I'm talking about using Ryze Tello here. But just using these propellers, okay? You see what I'm talking about? Even right here, you still have that strength. Like this guy here, you see what I'm talking about? But anyway, you see the big difference for seems like Ryze Tello is a little bit heavier. Let's go ahead and take off the battery. Okay, now you can see this guy is a little bit heavier, but let's go ahead and put on the battery just to see. Battery comparison. Look like Ryze Tello is a little bit heavier because of the battery of the Ryze Tello. So let's go ahead and put these propellers here. So with this propellers, it's pretty much full size. Let's go ahead and put Ryze Tello propellers here. Got it on. Got it on. And one more. Got it on. So you can see by putting here, you can see Ryze Tello is actually much smaller. It's actually much smaller when you think about it. If you see this right now, that's like a full size right there. All right, so now you guys can see how much bigger is this guy compared to Ryze Tello. But just, you know, you can see the difference. It's like a full scale already with the props on. But let's go ahead and take up the Tello here. And I'm not really comparing this to a Dji AiR-Spark. I'm just doing a size comparison, so you guys know what I'm talking about here. So this is the Dji AiR-Spark. This is how wide it is. Okay, by putting this on here, it's almost the same size as the Dji AiR-Spark, like where the wing bays are. Oh man, see that? So it's almost the same size as a Dji AiR-Spark when it's wide, but you can see Tello is still a little bit smaller than the Dji AiR-Spark. You see the difference? So of course I'm not comparing it, but I'm just saying of the size wise in the micro level, you know. And this guy here, it seems bigger than Ryze Tello. I mean, much bigger in comparison. Just letting you guys know that. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy in the field and see what's all about. And we're gonna go ahead, if this guy can handle an extreme wind, we're gonna see how good the video quality is. We're gonna see how, I mean, name it. So if you tune into my channel, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be interesting. We're gonna go ahead and see if these motors are powerful enough, see if this propellers is good enough. If we need to, we might have to change it to a Ryze Tello propellers, because like I said, in a micro level, this is a game changer. And that's the reason why Ryze Tello is also efficient, especially flying an extreme wind or any environment, especially with this size. And anyway, guys, what I'm saying is, the more we do, you know, comparison it to like this, it's gonna be, in the future, it's gonna be better for the micro level. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what else in here. You can see the Dji Ryze Tello, he has a camera, and also using the barometer here, you can see it's using the infrareds. The reason why I'm saying that, because when you look at Dji AiR-Spark has that too. Okay, and also the Mavic Air. You see the Mavic Air has that. So you know what, let's go ahead and see how wide this thing is. Even though with the Mavic Air, the way this length are, it looks like it's a little bit wider too. Let's go ahead and put Tello over here. Just showing you guys the size comparison. So, all right, let's put that there. And you can see, oh, okay. So Mavic Air, I mean, even with this, I call this prop guards, you can see how much it get wide. So it's like a full scale Mavic right there, Mavic Air. But anyway, You see? Let's go ahead and take off the propellers really quick so you guys know exactly. Okay, the propeller's off. You see what I'm talking about? Wow. We're gonna go ahead and see how, I mean, I don't know the reason why they did this. If that's gonna be the case, they should at least make this a bigger battery. This battery here, this is remind me of, the Mambo, the Inland, I'm sorry, Wingsland S6, and also the, how you call this? What am I gonna say now? Yeah, it's just too small, not enough stuff inside. And that's the, in real time, this probably gonna give me only maybe 5 minutes flight time. It's not gonna be like the Ryze Tello that has that big chunky battery in the weight. But now you guys see the difference here. Let's go ahead and put the Spark on top of the Mavic Air. You guys see that, the difference? And of course, if I take off Ryze Tello here, you guys can also see the big difference with the propellers. Here we go. Just showing that to you guys here. And that's the difference between, there you go. I'm gonna put it right here for you guys. Now you guys can see exactly the size comparison of this three. And of course, when you put this guy on with the big propellers, with the prop guards, it looks huge. But we're gonna go ahead and see what all this guy can do. And again, I just want to say, watch this more video coming up. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy to the test. Oh yeah, I forgot. I think this thing comes with the SD card slot here. And we're gonna go ahead and see what this guy's all about. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And that's about it.